The Sukhoi Su-57 represents the cutting edge of Russian fighter jet technology and stands as one of the most advanced combat aircraft in the world. Developed by Sukhoi under the PAK-FA program, the Su-57 was designed to serve as Russia's fifth-generation stealth fighter, combining speed, agility, stealth, and advanced electronics in one sleek package. The 2026 upgraded version aims to take everything that made the Su-57 special and push it even further into the future of aerial warfare. At first glance, the Su-57 looks like something straight out of science fiction. Its aerodynamic design features smooth blended lines, a diamond-shaped wing structure, and internal weapon bays that help reduce radar visibility. Every curve and angle of this jet is engineered for both stealth and maneuverability. The airframe uses a mix of composite materials and radar-absorbent coatings to minimize its radar cross-section, allowing it to slip past enemy defenses undetected. Under bright sunlight, its matte surface reflects minimal glare, further helping it blend with the sky during flight. The Su-57 is powered by two mighty turbofan engines. The current version uses AL-41F1 engines, each capable of producing around 142 kilonewtons of thrust with afterburners. However, the upcoming 2026 model is expected to feature the much-anticipated ISDALI-30 engines, offering higher thrust, better fuel efficiency, and reduced maintenance. These engines are designed to give the aircraft true supercruise capability, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. This reduces fuel consumption and thermal signature while increasing combat range and stealth. When it comes to speed and altitude, the Su-57 is no slouch. It can reach a top speed of about Mach 2, or around 2,400 km per hour, and has a maximum altitude of nearly 20,000 meters. Its combat range stretches over 1,500 km without refueling, but this can extend much farther with external tanks or aerial refueling. The 2026 version is expected to improve range and endurance even further thanks to its upgraded propulsion system and refined aerodynamics. One of the defining features of the Su-57 is its supermaneuverability. Thanks to thrust vectoring nozzles and advanced flight control systems, the aircraft can perform breathtaking maneuvers such as tight turns, sudden climbs, and controlled stalls that would be impossible for most other jets. This agility gives it a tremendous advantage in dogfights, allowing it to outmaneuver opponents and position itself for the perfect strike. Despite being a stealth fighter, the Su-57 still retains the soul of the legendary Sukhoi family: fast, fearless, and highly dynamic. Inside the cockpit, the Su-57 feels like a command center from the future. The glass cockpit layout replaces traditional dials with large multifunction displays that provide pilots with real-time information about flight data, weapon status, and radar tracking. The aircraft's avionics suite includes a highly advanced radar system known as the N036 Belka AESA radar, which provides a wide detection range and multi-target tracking capabilities. The radar works in multiple bands, allowing the Su-57 to detect both aerial and ground threats at long distances. Combined with an infrared search and track system, electronic warfare modules, and a 360-degree situational awareness network, the pilot always has a clear view of the battlefield. The Su-57's weapons systems are as versatile as its performance. To maintain stealth, its main weapons are stored internally in two large weapon bays and two smaller side bays. It can carry an array of air-to-air missiles, including medium and long-range models, as well as short-range heat-seeking missiles for close combat. For ground attack missions, the aircraft can be armed with guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and even potential hypersonic weapons in future variants. The Su-57 also carries a 30mm internal cannon for close-range engagements, making it a threat in any scenario. The upcoming 2026 version is expected to take the Su-57's design to the next level. Engineers are reportedly refining the aircraft's stealth profile, particularly around the engine nozzles and rear fuselage, which were previously more radar visible. The new version could feature flat nozzle designs and improved radar-absorbent coatings. Additionally, advanced onboard computers and artificial intelligence systems are expected to play a larger role in the 2026 model, assisting pilots with decision-making, targeting, and navigation. These upgrades aim to make the Su-57 not just a fighter, but an intelligent combat platform capable of operating in complex electronic environments. In terms of cost, the Su-57 is considered more affordable compared to Western fifth-generation fighters. Estimates suggest a price range between $40 to $50 million per unit, though the final cost varies depending on configuration and export options. Russia has plans to produce around 76 units for its Air Force by 2028, gradually replacing older aircraft and strengthening its next-generation fleet. The Su-57 has also attracted interest from international buyers, and future export versions could become an important part of global defense markets. Performance tests and early operational deployments have demonstrated that the Su-57 is capable of handling both air superiority and strike missions. It can intercept enemy aircraft, destroy ground targets, and even conduct reconnaissance, all while maintaining a low radar profile. In modern warfare, versatility is everything, and the Su-57's multi-role capability makes it a powerful asset for any air force. The combination of stealth, speed, and firepower ensures that it can operate effectively in both offensive and defensive roles. Looking toward the future, the 2026 Su-57 will likely play a major role in Russia's aerial strategy. It may work alongside unmanned drones, sharing data and coordinating strikes through secure digital networks. This concept of man-machine teaming is becoming central to modern air combat, and the Su-57 is being designed with that in mind. Improved data links, sensor fusion, and AI integration could make it one of the most networked aircraft of its generation. Despite its strengths, the Su-57 still faces challenges. Production has been slower than planned, and the full integration of the new engines has taken longer than expected. Some critics argue that while it has stealth capabilities, its radar signature is higher than that of jets like the F-35 or F-22, particularly from the rear angle. However, the 2026 upgrades aim to close that gap significantly. Each new version adds refinements to stealth, avionics, and flight performance, bringing it closer to its full potential. The expected release of the upgraded 2026 model is projected for the mid to late 2020s. As development continues, prototypes are already being tested, and new systems are gradually being integrated. Once fully operational, this variant could mark a significant leap forward in the Su-57's evolution, giving Russia a true fifth-generation fighter capable of competing with the world's best. In conclusion, the Sukhoi Su-57 is not just an aircraft, it is a symbol of innovation, engineering, and strategic ambition. Its combination of stealth, speed, and agility makes it one of the most formidable fighters ever built. The upcoming 2026 version promises to enhance those qualities even further, adding improved engines, AI-driven avionics, and advanced materials. Whether soaring at supersonic speed or gliding silently through the sky, the Su-57 embodies the future of air dominance. It stands as a reminder that in the race for aerial superiority, technology and innovation remain the true wings of power.